What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, huge good news for all the Samsung users who are waiting for One UI 8.5 official update. So few days ago I made a video and told you that Samsung will start rolling out One UI 8.5 official update before May 10, and guys, Samsung has finally started rolling out One UI 8.5 official update from today. S25 series in Korea has started receiving One UI 8.5 official update finally. As you can see, this is the screenshot of update. The update size is around 600 MB. It's less because obviously the user who got the update is in beta, so that's why the update size is around 600 MB. If you are not in beta, the update size will be obviously around 4 GB I guess. And also guys, S25 Fe also received the One UI 8.5 update. This is the screenshot of One UI 8.5 official update of S25 Fe. And guys, while recording this video, just got a news that Samsung Galaxy Fold 7 and Flip 7 has also received the One UI 8.5 official update in Korea. So I think Indian users and global users might receive One UI 8.5 official update tonight or maybe tomorrow. Keep checking guys if you are using a Samsung Galaxy S25 series, including S25 Fe and Galaxy Fold 7 and Flip 7. So guys, it's a huge good news. Finally S25 series got the One UI 8.5 official update. Obviously next is S24 series, and then S23 series, S22 series. So obviously whenever there is a news, I will obviously make a video and inform you guys. But I think S25 series got the update, then it won't take too much time for S24 series. I think in 2 or 3 days S24 series will receive the update, and in next week S23 series and S22 series might receive the One UI 8.5 official update. Okay, please note currently the official update it's in Korea, but I think for the global users they might receive tomorrow, okay, or maybe tonight, who knows. Okay, so guys, keep checking. So this is a huge good news guys. Are you happy? Finally, let me know in the comment. And guys, obviously I have a S23 phone, so whenever there is a news for S23 series, I will obviously inform you. So guys, thank you very much for watching guys. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye, take care.